Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick DIY for you for a chicken boredom buster. I saw it on Instagram and the guy used a peanut butter jar. I don't have a peanut butter jar, so I am going to use a mayonnaise jar. And come on along, I'll show you what to do. It's really easy. You want to find a jar that you think is a good size, wash and dry it, and also get all the food residue out. Make sure it wasn't a jar that had something in it that could hurt chickens, obviously. Whoops. And take all the labels off because they will eat the labels. Let's get started. I'm going to take the smaller drill and drill a hole in the top. And that'll be to hang it. So the other drill bit was a 3/16. This one is a 3/8. And I'm lining up the hole with the other one on the opposite side. So you have two rows that look like that. And I will sand all these pieces off and make it smooth and bring you back. I said sandpaper, but I'm actually using a metal file just to get the plastic off. Make sure there's no sharp edges. And then I'll wash the jar and get rid of all the plastic pieces so my chickens don't eat them. And then if you wash, the jar was already washed, so if you wash the jar, again, when you're done, just make sure you let it completely dry or you'll have some food stuck in there. And I'll bring you back when I'm done. There we go. And so there's your jar. And I'm going to fill mine with corn. Make sure the cover is on tight. Of course, they have to eat all the pieces off the ground first. And they're all curious about what it is. And they're all freaked out by it, but give them a half hour and they'll be right into it. I just keep shaking it and knocking it on the ground. there you have it. My white leghorn, of course, has figured it out first. And I'm taking this video from outside the coop. That's why you see a little bit of the wire on the right-hand side of the screen. But it'll just be a matter of minutes now for the rest of them figure it out. So I'll come back out in a few more minutes and let you know. It's been in there about 5 minutes. I think I'm going to go make one for the turkeys now. See how they like it. We often like to use grated Parmesan containers for a scratch, and we keep them on the porch with corn and some scratch in it. It works well if you have any escapees or if you just want to feed the chickens. So there you have it. Quick, easy boredom buster for chickens. And for me, it's corn in the winter, which, you know, gives them some internal heat. And also the good news about boredom busters is it gives them something to do other than fight with each other. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.